Are you ready to create mind-blowing blog posts in just a matter of seconds? Yes, we are talking about AI content. But it's not just any usual blog content that we get from ChatGPT. This one is undetectable. What does that mean is, well, Google will have no clue that it's AI generated. Anyway, this AI content got an incredible 98% originality score, which means your content is more human-like and it has a better chance to rank on Google and get more traffic to your site. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly create blog posts that really makes a difference. Well, we usually generate content from ChatGPT, which should look something like this. But with this AI tool called Gravity Writer, we will be able to create a blog like this. You can see it is so much more detailed and well crafted. We are going to see everything step by step, right from getting ideas from your content, adding images and everything using AI. The best part is it is completely free and all this takes less than 10 minutes. So get ready, let's dive into the video. To create our blogs, we are going to use 6 steps. The first step is to log into Gravity Write. I have given a link in the description, so just click in it and it will take you to this page. Now click Start Writing for free. And here you have to enter your email and give a password, and now click Sign Up. Now to start creating blogs, you have to go to Blog Workflow and you can see different tools. Here we are going to use these tools to create a blog. So let's go to the second step, which is to get a topic idea for your blog. Now if you already have a topic for your blog, you can skip this part. But if you are open to explore different ideas, just click on Blog Topic Ideas. Now here, if you enter a keyword related to the type of blog you want, Gravity Write will generate different topics which you can use. Now let's try out that. Here I am going to enter my keyword, which is 5 innovative business ideas. Now here you can click create, and as you can see, we have got some interesting topics. You can go ahead and select the topic you want. Okay, now I'm going to choose this topic for my blog. Okay, once we have the topic, we can go now to the next step, which is to create an outline for our blog. As I told you earlier, this is a step-by-step process. So first we are going to create an outline for our blog and then create the full article. By following this way, you will get a more detailed content and you can also decide what to include in your blog and what not to include. Alright, so to create the outline, first let's copy the topic we choose and click on blog outline and paste the topic here and click create. As you can see, we have got the outline for our blog post. If you go through it, you will find headings and descriptions of the content. Now if you want to change anything or add something, just click anywhere and start editing. You can go on and make more customizations, and now we got the perfect outline for our blog. So let's copy this and paste it in a document file. Okay, once we have the outline, now let's go to the fourth step, which is to create the content for our blog post. We are going to create content based on this outline. So let's copy the outline, go back to Gravity Write and click Blog Content. Now you have to paste the outline here. And here we need to enter the title of our blog. So let's copy paste that. And now if you click Create Content, you can see that the full content for our blog is ready. Here you can edit the content if you want. Once you are done, there we go, our blog content is now ready. Yay! So let's copy this and paste it on the document. Okay, once we got the content, what next? You can see our blog looks a bit plain. So what we need is add bunch of images to make it look better. Adding images will help in SEO and also to engage your readers. Now the best part is we are going to create images also using AI. That's crazy. So let's go to the next step, which is to add images to your blog. Now to add images, first we are going to find what kind of images we need for our blog. If you look at our blog, we have different headings and we need to come up with image ideas for each topic. To make it easier for us, Gravity Write has a tool which will analyze your content and it will suggest you what kind of image you need to add for each heading on your blog. So let's find out. Just copy the content and go back to this tab and click on Image Brief, and now here you have to paste your content and now enter click Create Content, and now you can see it tells us what image to add under each heading. Not just that, it has given us prompts for each image which we can use on our image generation tools like Midjourney or Blue Willow and create the same image mentioned here. This has made our work so much easy. Okay, now we know what images to add, so next we are going to create those images using these prompts. Here first let's copy this and paste it on a document for save. And now to create the images, we are going to use this free AI tool called Blue Willow. I have given the link in the description to all these tools, so just click it and it will take you to this page. Now you can create an account here. After creating your account, now you will come to this page. Now to create images, we need to enter the prompts. So let's go here, copy this prompt, now go to Blue Willow and now enter the prompt here. You can see we have got some images. Now to download the image, just select it. Now right click on it and select Save Image As. And now here click Save and the image will be downloaded, and now we have got the image for our blog. Alright, in the same way you can create the images you want using these prompts and add them to your blog. It's that easy. So once you are done, you can now see our blog looks great. Okay, so we have successfully added images to our blog and it's now ready to publish. Okay, now before we go ahead and publish the blog, let's say you want to create a featured images like this, which makes our blog more attractive. So now let's see how you can create a featured image for your blog. To do that, we are going to use an online tool called Canva. We all know Canva. Now I have added the link in the description, so let's just click in it and you will see this page. Now to create a featured image, just like the blog thumbnail. Now instead of creating an image from scratch, we are going to select a template and edit it. So here you can see different templates. You can select the one you want. And now I'm going to select this one. And now here we have a default image and text. So let's edit it. I'm going to change this text and add my blog title here. And now to change the image, just select it and click delete now. And now you can just drag and drop any image you want from the computer, or you can use any image from the Canva library. And now you can adjust the position. Okay, now our featured image is ready, so let's download it. Here click share and click download and again click download. And now the image will be downloaded. Okay, once we got the featured image, now you can go and publish it to the website. Okay, so that's it guys. We have successfully created an entire blog post just by using AI. So let's compare this output with what ChatGPT can create for the same blog title. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write a blog on our same title and this is the output. Now if we compare, you can see that our blog is much more detailed and well structured. ChatGPT has created a normal and generic content. Alright, now how do we check the quality of the content? I'm going to add both of these content to an AI detector and see how human-like they are. First, let's copy the result and then go on this website. And this is an AI detector tool. So I'm going to paste the content here, and now if we click check for AI content, you can see the score here. It says the content is more robotic and it is AI generated. Okay, now let's test the content we created from the Gravity Ride. Let's copy and paste it here, and if we click check, you can see we have got a great score. It says our content is more likely to be human written, which means our content is unique. So this can help your blog to rank better on Google, and also your readers will never feel it's AI generated. So if you're a social media marketer or a content creator, we made a video specifically for you to create top-notch social media video using AI. To learn more about it, you can watch this video. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.